morning and welcome back to the Drummond channel on Thursday morning. Apologies for the raspy voice. The weather here is wreaking havoc on my sinuses. This is a crude oil update from, we did the last one on Tuesday, and to get reoriented, let's start with the monthly chart and remind everybody that this is a monthly exhaust bar, monthly congestion entrance, and congestion on a monthly scale is defined in this area. So with congestion on the monthly chart, we can anticipate the trend to reverse, the trend to continue, or we call congestion action trading. And at this point, we don't know what's happening, but we see that the lower confines of congestion down here have held, and now the market is pushing up, and quite a bit of support here with the quarterly envelope bottom and the monthly envelope bottom. Now on the weekly chart, I was talking about this possibly being an exhaust bar on the weekly chart, and the farther out's held, and we need it to close above the nearby, which it appears it's going to do. There are only 2 days left in the week, and it still looks like the weekly trend is pushing down. This weekly PL dot is pushing down, but if this is going to enter into congestion, then these weekly PL dots are going to start to lose their push, and the first place we're going to see that is on the daily chart. What we see on the daily chart, this exhaust bar down here, this bar held into congestion. Congestion is defined across the top here, and then it'd be way down here, and I don't expect we'll see that again with all this support coming into play here. And we can see the farther outs on the daily are starting to line up, so there's some support building, which gives further evidence to the idea that the weekly PL dot push down is starting to lose its energy. So what we're seeing right now, we're seeing daily congestion action. So we had the congestion entrance bar, expanded the block level. Now it's holding up in this area, moved back inside the envelope. The daily PL dot has broken, and probably we're looking at a target down here. And we certainly want to see some support kick in down here. So for today, it appears that the daily is going to, the congestion trading is going to be down towards the daily envelope bottom, or maybe the weekly bottom, or even the monthly envelope bottom. And then we'll look for signs that this is holding. And then going into next week, we should have a good idea whether the weekly was a exhaust bar that held, and we can start to look for that weekly dot to start pushing up. So for the week, this move up appears to be done, and we're looking at lower prices probably today, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow. That's it for crude oil. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you again next time.